How to make money from YouTube. That's what you are looking for, right? Even if you watch tons of videos from several YouTube gurus, you are still looking for the correct way to make money on YouTube. And that's why you decided to click this video, right? You got lucky today. Because this is the first video of this video series, where I analyze successful YouTube channels that are making millions of dollars per year and show you how to start a channel like that from scratch. So all you gotta do is follow my steps exactly like I teach, and I can guarantee that within just 3 months, you will be able to say goodbye to your 9-to-5 job. The channel I'm going to analyze today is called Aperture. This channel has more than 2.3 million subscribers and has posted 403 videos so far. According to the Social Blade, their monthly income is between $590 and $9,400, which means their monthly average income is around $7,000. All this income is from ad revenue. With the sponsor partnerships, they are probably making more than $20,000 a month. And guys, that's how you make money from YouTube. And today, I'm gonna show you how to make a channel like this from scratch. This channel creates videos about human nature, social issues that affect people's daily lives, and philosophy. This channel is like a mix of these 3 niches. If you check the videos on this channel, you will understand that they have videos about some amazing and unique topics. Let's start the process. Creating the channel. For this, we need a name, description, logo, and a banner. We can use ChatGPT to create all of these 4 things, and guys, I have created a Word document. I will include all the prompts that I will use in this video on that document. You can get it from our Telegram community. I have created this specific prompt to generate a name for this channel. I would prefer to use a unique name with a 1 word. And let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. As you can see here, all of these names are amazing. I really like this one, which is Nexum. And let's ask ChatGPT to create a small description as well. See how easy this process is? Now we need to create the logo and banner. I have created this specific prompt to create a unique logo. You can just copy this prompt and change the name of your channel. Then, you will be able to make a unique logo. This logo is really amazing. Now just like this, let's create a banner as well. In this prompt, I have added a slogan as well. You can also replace it with a new one for your channel. Now let's start the content creation process. The first thing we must do is we need to find video ideas. We can use this channel for that. We are not going to copy the exact video idea from this channel. We are going to improve this video idea and create our own version of it. I'm going to select this topic, which is the For You page has ruined society forever. I'm going to change this to social media controls the society. Just like this, you can create video ideas for this niche. Now, let's see how to create a unique video for this topic. For this process, I'm going to use Filmora 14. This is all in one tool. With this tool, I can do everything, starting from script, voiceover, video editing, short video creation, and thumbnail creation. This tool will make this process 100 times easier. You can download this tool from their website, and let's start. So, I downloaded this software to my computer. After you install this on your computer, you will come to this page. And if you click this AI toolbox option, you can see all the AI features they provide. All these features are new, and they were just released several days ago. These are very helpful for us as content creators. We are going to use this Smart Short Clips tool in the later of this video. This AI video enhancer tool is one of my favorites. And another best tool is this Smart BGM generation. Basically, you can generate AI background music for your video scenes. So, we can use these to improve the quality of our videos. The first step is to generate a good script for this unique topic that we selected. Go to this copyright tool and select YouTube oral script. Then all you need to do is type the topic of the video you want. Then click this generate button. It will generate the video script within several seconds. Now, you can read this whole script and change it according to your ideas. It's completely up to you. Now that we are done with the video script, let's create visuals for this video. With Filmora 14, this is going to be a very easy task. Go to this AI text to video option, and you just need to paste the script that we created. Then, you can select the language and a suitable AI voice from these. If you want to use your own voice, you can try this voice cloning feature. You just need to record your voice with a mic, and this will convert it to an AI voice generator. In this case, I'm not going to do that. For this video, I'm going to select this AI voice. Then, we need to select the size of the video. Since this is a long video, it should be a 16:9 aspect ratio. Then click this text to video button. It will take several minutes to complete the video. As you can see here, This tool has generated a complete video for our script with stock videos, voiceovers, and background music. Now, I'm gonna do some edits and make this video more engaging and unique. First, I'm gonna show you how to replace these stock videos. Let's say you don't like a certain stock video that this AI has used. Just delete it, go to this stock video option, and search for the video you would prefer. Let's type social media here. We have several videos, so I'm gonna use this one. This AI tool has copyright-free stock videos for anything. You can use these on your videos without any issues. Once that video clip is downloaded, drag and drop it like this. So, guys, take your time to add suitable clips to your video with this option. Now, there are some green screen videos on this clip. I'm gonna add footage under it and remove the green screen. So, what you need to do is add a suitable footage under that green screen clip and go to the AI tools and enable this chroma key option. Now it will automatically remove the green color background. So, just like this, you can add new green screen graphics, words, and footages to this clip and make it interesting. It's completely up to you. Now, let's add some transitions to these clips. If you go to this transition option, you can see that this tool has a lot of cool transitions. I'm gonna add these between clips. It will make your video more interesting. Just drag and drop these transitions in between these clips. If you wanna add filters to this video, just go to this filter option, and you can see that there are tons of filters available. This is up to you. You can use any of these filters on your videos. Now, let me show you how to edit these subtitles. First, you need to select all these text layers and go to the text from this side menu. This tool will make this process very easy. I'm gonna change the font of these texts, so make sure to select a good font. I'm gonna go with this bold font, and let's add some text effects as well. There are a lot of pre-made text effects. You just need to check each one of them and select a good effect for your video. After that, go to this animation and we can add sliding animations to these texts. Select a suitable animation from these and you are done with that process. Now, this tool has this AI Copilot option, where you can ask anything about this tool and this AI will show you how to do that. Now, in this case, I'm asking it to show me how to add AI-generated background music. As you can see here, all you need to do is select what type of background music you need. In this case, I'm gonna select suspense music. And within just several seconds, this tool will generate suitable music for that. You just need to add those to the timeline. They also have normal background music. Just go to this music option, and you will see a lot of music tracks related to different genres. If you want, you can use these instead of AI-generated music. It's up to you. The video is completed. Now let me show you how to convert this long video to several short videos. You need to go to this AI tools again and select this Smart Short Clip tool. Here you need to upload the video that we just created. Now you need to select the language for these short clips, and here you need to select the duration for these shorts. I'm gonna go with 30 seconds. As you can see here, there are several short templates. All you need to do is select any suitable template from these and click this Generate button. And it will start the process. The process is completed. As you can see here, we have completely new 30-second long short videos similar to our main video. This is really amazing. This tool has created 4 short clips based on our main long video. This means now we have a total of 5 videos to post on our new channel. Now, let me show you how to create a thumbnail for this video using this AI tool. Go back to the previous project, click this export option, and you will see this thumbnail tool here. Click the edit button, and you will come to this page. Now, you can select any frame of your video to use as a thumbnail. I'm gonna select this frame. Now, click this edit button again, and you will come to this page. As you can see here, they have provided several categories and styles. You can use any of these templates by just clicking it, and it will convert your image to a thumbnail. For this video, I'm gonna use this template. Now, you can add text and edit this thumbnail any way you want, so I will leave that process to you. You can customize these templates any way you want. That's why I really like to use this tool. After you edit all the things you need, click Save and export the video and thumbnail. So, just like this, you can do all the things with this AI tool. You can download Filmora 14 using the link in the description. If you watch this whole video now, you have the knowledge to start your own channel in this niche. I wish you the best of luck.